Today I'm going to show you how to add your downloaded plugins into Final Cut Pro 10. Let's go to Finder, open a new window, go to Applications, find Final Cut, right click, Show Package Contents. Click that, go to Contents folder, find Plugins, Media Providers, click that, then Motion Effect, Contents, then go to Resources, then go to Templates. Then here's the folder that you're going to need to put your effects in. You have to put them in the right folder, otherwise they will not show up. Next, open up your effect kit, click the DMG that you want to install, go to Motion Template, and then that's a generator, it says. So go to your generator folder, drag and drop it into the generator folder. Then open up Final Cut Pro, go to whatever type of effect that you just installed. This one would be a title, and there they are, all the titles. That is how you add your motion effects plugins into Final Cut Pro.